Good morning, students. Today we start with RSA crypto system. Here we see in the example हमें implement करना है C programming language में. आप देख सकते हैं key generations, encryption and decryption. Here we use a cipher is equal to message mode n and decryption as well. X mode y means the remainder of x divided by y. This is basically Ravish, Samir and Adelman public key crypto system is widely used for secure data transmission. It is also one of the oldest RSA crumb form, the surname of these three scientists. This is a public key crypto system. The encryption key is public and distinct from decryption key, which is a kept secret private. Here you can see the scenario of entire process with steps and connected entities. The security of RSA relies on practical difficulty of factoring the product of two large prime numbers and problem. It is breaking of RSA encryption is known as RSA problem. Sender and receiver is a common methodology, the plain text, ciphertext and plain text by using a key, one for recipient, it is public, and second one is a private. This is a symmetric key cryptography which are then used for bulk encryption and decryption. बेसिकली ऑपरेशंस में आप देख सकते हैं कि प्रिंसिपल behind RSA is observed that it is a practical to find three very large positive integers. यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं standard library, header files, standard input output and console, then void functions, then we need to specify the integer value of p, q, n, e and I. Then this is the second data type for temperature 1, temp, d, pt and c and m for specifying the basic prime value of RSA. It is knowing it is extremely difficult to find the value of d because the triple bar here denote a modular configurations. RSA involve a public key and a private key as well. Is intention to encrypt with the public key. Here you print the first prime number, then a second prime number and fetch the value according to the equation which is defined by RSA. Here we are also seeing the key generation. It is a two distinct prime number P and Q. Compute the value of n is equal to p multiplied by q, then q is equal to p minus 1 multiplied by under bracket q minus 1. Here we specify the fix the value of e is equal to 2. N is released as a part of the public key and P and Q are kept secret. Then N is a kept secret. The ICM may be calculated through Euclidean's algorithm, since ICM under bracket AB is equal to AB divided by GCD under bracket AB. This is the equation for memorize. Now we need to determine ds. D is equal to e raised to minus 1 mod under bracket n. This is a modular multiplicative inverse of e modulo. This means solve for d the equations d multiplied by e is equal to 1. D can be computed efficiently by using extended Euclidean algorithm, since thanks to E and N being co-prime and set equation is a form of identity where D is one of the coefficients. Now we are loop while condition is E greater than 1. Here we see the public key consists of modulo n and an encryption exponent E. The private key consists of private, which must be kept secret, P and Q. Then we need to print the value and once again use a loop for I. This is a decryption process in which is recover M from C by using her private key exponent D by computing. Recover the original message M by reversing the padding scheme. You are also compute the value of N is equal to P multiplied by Q. Here compute a D, a modular multiplicative inverse of E under bracket mode operation for yielding work example for the modular multiplicative inverse. Then we use a public key for same function Cm and private key for same function MC. M is for private key and C for a public key. Both of these calculations can be computed efficiently using the square and multiply algorithm for modular exponentials in real life situations. The prime selected would be much larger. In our example, it would be traveled a factor n 3233, which is obtained from freely available public key. Back to the primes P and Q multiplied by E. Here you see in the ciphertext the value of C is multiplied by PT divided by N. Then a practical implementation use the Chinese remainder theorem to speed up the calculation using modulus of factor mode PQ using mode P and mode Q. This is just a decrypt a message only intended for a recipient, which may be encrypted by anyone having the public key. Encrypted message which may be decrypted by anyone but which can only be encrypted by one person. This provides a digital signature. This is a most secure encryption technique in all over the world. This is used by defense. Now we need to compile. Warning 0, error 0. Now run. See here the output can get a 7. Enter the second prime number. Second number you need to enter here 1 7. Then here you see the 57, the public key is E5 and N119, the private key is D57 and N is equal to 119. The plain text hello, you can get ciphertext 106 and decrypted text is 106. This is the output. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.